Hello, I'm Atik from Agency Handy, and today we are gonna look at how service redirection works within your workspace. So let's go to service page and settings. There you'd see a redirection page as well. The way service redirection works is, for example, you can send your user or redirect your user or client to a certain page within your agency handy application or external application, or show a custom model when user successfully pays, or the service has an intake or post intake form, or the payment has failed, right? So for example, we can see option here for services with pre-intake and no intake form, right? So those services that match this criteria, let's say you can redirect them to internal page within your agency handy workspace. For example, I can send them to the ordered page, right? And but also what we can do is, let's say services with post intake form, we can send them to a external page such as my meeting uh, link from cal.com, right? You can do that for failed purchases as well. One more thing you can do is show custom models for all those criterias we discussed before. You can also customize these models as well. Okay, another thing you can do, okay, let me just show you. For now, I'm gonna delete this cal.com one and go to my catalog page, right? So if this is your client, let's say he wants to buy the one-time service here. From here, I have all this filled up. You can just fill this up, and let's say he goes to the next page and he chooses bank payment, right? And after that, let's say we are paying. Okay, so this was a service with post intake form, right? So if you remember, we have set up this page with post intake form to go to this link, and in the same tab, not in the new tab, right? You can do that as well. So if I hit continue now, it will take me to the cal.com team, but there is a warning model showing here. What is this? So since this is external link, we are showing a model that you are about to exit the current workspace, right? But you can disable this. If you remember, yeah, so if you remember, we have deleted the cal.com link from here. So if I set cal.com here and add it, uh, it won't show this model, but let me show you after this step is done, right? So if I hit continue, it will take me the cal.com link. But if we do add this here, so that this is a trusted link, and go to my catalog page again, let's say I'm gonna purchase this again. I have all this filled out. Let's select bank payment and pay now. There's gonna be a post intake form. Okay, if I hit continue now, that model won't show right now because we have added cal.com as the trusted redirect option, right? So let's hit continue, and it's gonna take us to the mycal.com material. So that's basically how agency handy's redirection feature works. Thank you.